with the President's Cup, Shatta Wale.
Oh yeah,
he took fans through an electric performance. You know what I just discovered?
What?
That his whole performance, the whole production, everything, he covered the whole cost by himself. The state didn't pay him.
Are you? No. Are you kidding?
No. The sports minister released a statement to clarify that no taxpayers' money was given to Shatta Wale. That he covered, the performance was free and he covered the production cost all by himself. And he said that was his way of honoring President.
And his performance was the highlight of the event.
It was a big deal. It was a big deal.
Whoa!
It was a big deal. To be honest, in previous years, the President's Cup hasn't exactly attracted huge numbers. This year has been very different. It's been refreshingly different. And we like that. I hope that they can keep it.
You see the power of the arts in everything that we do.
Yeah, absolutely. Certainly, the attraction of Shatta Wale, the prospect of Shatta Wale performing definitely attracted a lot more fans.
There was Kweku Smoke and Bogu Blay as well.
And even Kamido, right? Also showed up a little bit.
Yeah.
So, it's important. Sports, music,
recreation. We're all one family. I always tell you.
It's very important. Very important.
Ghana entertainment industry, metaphor. Yedanyani story be air trendy about Shatta Wale. I'm a story, before we could say Jack, story, I could do sports minister and him. Social media on. Now it's not even about Dodona or more numbers. Just a comment can trigger a whole nation. Metaphor story non intending post to be a circulate ya. Na post ni muno nipa kro patch say Shatta Wale charge the sports ministry 700,000 Ghana cedis and sana enra oko performing that 15 minutes performance na a course so ewo Accra Sports Stadium emra sabi mahama den eba park ni so no enra match ni between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra House of Folk no Shatta Wale charge 700,000 cedis. Eya. Enunti no post ni started say circulate no. E mama for start kasai. Ama for screenshot. Tag aban no, tag sports ministry no. Sa ho kire wo Ghana. Den na motima tam 700,000. Ama artist bako for just 15 minutes performance. So on Ghana. And penifo say pasama ka che nyame a ana wo kagu enframem. So far as ade no astarte ye hu trend no automatic sports ministry no omo bete aban ebete politicians opposition ebesom ebedane political topic anunti mene wo kasai sports minister aba bonten na wabe clear misinformation a ewa bonten ni nyina according to sports minister near all Kenya ne say Shatta Wale ye hu no wo Accra Sports Stadium enra no o man tuaneka near tosumienu even the production cost of the performance ni nyina Shatta Wale na nkasa bottom esika na Shatta Wale saa nyoma we nyina de ana ye papa mahama o de mana kwaba se papa memo kwaba se okoya wasana ba betena konwa ne so a o ba betoto nyoma ama Ghana afa ne ntoma pefra ama youth ne so enya adwumaye na asumdwie aba Ghana aniti medafo dodo na mahu se post bi trendy omo ka say Shatta Wale kwaje 700,000 Shatta Wale kwaje 700,000 ni nyina no according to sports minister or purchase asem no enye no kre Wale mo nye artist na sabi obeba be perform kama ba owia story na wu da bi Wale brand no wode ne to so or performing na wawie ni nyina no bedafo o brand no ebenya engagement Wale enshira eno no sabi sanya mano about Shatta Wale no bedafo eduru ba bi a enye magic enye bibia ya adoma chede enshira bi a ye de wo no uhu sana me mane nya oya so we artist na uhu adentina Shatta hu ne ho won sembebre Shatta Wale engagement sa enye bibia eye na adoma chede no woye ne dan a untimi nya ne hwe eye adoma eye ade bi e dia wo no ase Messi bobo no Obia onimbo mu bia be catch us a Messi de no e adom achede e free na Nyankopon ne de adom no wo ye no hwea enye ye. Wale is entertainment on its own. E normal. E was say ye te saa de na se na ye nyina ye enjoy no na ye nyina ye use no na ye de build the industry. Tia. And it's because Shatta Wale GhPage echo check it say some more ka fa ne ho no kra ben ne wom. Me da for me drew ho no. And I'm who say Shatta Wale I retweeted a post from Sika Official. And Shatta Wale actually say, let's bring the love of football back. And Shaxi fully sponsored my performance. I don't see, according to Shatta Wale, no, near all can say, let's bring the love of football back. Because Sewasha, Ghana Premier League in the middle for a tonsum, and even this presidential cup now, boy, you know. Over the years, enkoye. And you know, according to Shatta no, who say, almost bet me I play part. Ama yenyane the football in Ghana. And we say ampa news no about Shatta Wale say on one edini sika a sponsor the performance no. Eye no kre chododododododo. Chodododododo ifi ene keka wa bia aniwo. Enunti ni ameka nyina ne se nyame onhira Shatta Wale se ohun se dabi se wanfa nanim onyam ene ne fan base ankota ye papa achi ewo Accra Sports Stadium a wanhwe ya wahu na akoye bibie wo ho enunti ana ojai ni a oye nyina etua for production cost no no asa etiem eto ne nsa friend fans nyina se omumra meta ne chi na ono nso onkɔhye ye papa John Dramani Mahama animonyam en se wo se enka no kra enra event no very successful sabi Shatta Wale part na play en nso no medafo ye nyina ye di ho dance ye se nya bias na ye beka no kra ye nyina ehu the Shatta Wale effect enra ewa Accra Sports Stadium even ade achinye yi ne ho asem na obekɔ obi eka even kotoko kra we na match no hype na Shatta Wale enya no o ma enya bi but obe ne den obi ane na adoma chede a ye den e wone so and even Shatta Wale cry ye body even more than the event any match ni mpo no ompe enu nti no say let's bring back the love of Ghana football. Nyame Shatta Wale nyame on Shatta Wale on to nkwanem na adwen pa owo about Ghana no ni nyina emrem se wo akwantuo mu wo abrochire na o send sika akɔ Ghana mame nkamfo lemfi money transfer emaw on say your dollar rate ni euros ni pounds say asay nemom se wo ye transfer na o pedie ni exchange rate e was ro pa kese de amedofo lemfi eni gi se me wo ni say o your first transaction na o use the promo code and I say referral code Bonah medofo o America and Canada now send you first $100 and I say first $100 Canadian dollars medofo amount $20 cashback. And I don't know more Europe, no Germany, Italy, France, and then important money. No, your first transaction here €50 amount €15 cashback. And I don't know more UK, so your first £50 amount £10 cashback. And I say, America. Na opese wo shipe onyoma e de koba busuan for Ghana na wa umu no udi djuma bi na mo opese ode nyoma ni free America e ko Ghana eni gi sama me de nam eye Box Oak Logistics omu ye door to door shipping company ufru ma kachom say enam TheBonahShow so ena oti omunka ombecha 10% discount ana ufri akwantum so na ko Ghana na obepe ba bia da e Kumasi a edin no eye ba kope Pikash Properties Pikash so ufru makachum say enam TheBonahShow so na ote omunka omo so omecha 10% discount.